this week we're going to be using some modeling clay or Play-Doh to make some 3D art. So, I have the clay that we got in our kits, and I also have some of the other materials. There were some sticks, some feathers, some little pieces made out of foam. So what I did was I opened the bag, use your pinchers, 2 sides, 2 sets, and pull apart. I only took out a few like this instead of dumping the whole bag out. I did that with all of my other materials too, as you can see. So today, I'm going to show you my modeling clay and what we're going to do with it. I took it out of the box, as you see, but it comes with this plastic on top. So when I take this off, I think I'm going to keep it just in case I need to save it. So this will not dry. You can use it over and over again. So with clay, you can mush it. It's a little tough at first, so you do have to play with it. You can squish it with your hands if you're doing it in the air. See, it's kind of molding a little bit. It's harder than Play-Doh, so you have to try your best. You can mush it on a table, or maybe if you would like, you can use some of your other loose parts and see what you can use. So I found this. Maybe I can flatten it. Oh, that worked. And then I can roll it back up. I can mush it a little bit. Oh, see? Made it smaller that time. Maybe because this surface is bigger. This surface is a little bit smaller. So I think this is actually a very good shape. I'm going to squeeze it a little bit in my fingers to make it round. This kind of reminds me of a head. Maybe I'll make a face. So I'm going to use my loose parts that you see here, and I'm going to put them on top. I'm going to use these little tiny pieces on the front, and I'll show you. And you can do anything you'd like. You can make people, you can make vehicles, you can make whatever you can think of, which I know. We all have some awesome brains. I'm going to use these feathers because it kind of reminds me of hair. And I might not use them all because I do have more in my bag. All right. Some sticks. Maybe I don't need a stick. Maybe one stick so I can hold it and show it to you. All right, are you ready? Here's my creation. And again, you can make anything you'd like. So if I take off the feathers, oh, one eye fell. And take this off, I can mush it this way. Oh, and look, it's kind of going into an oval now. So maybe now I will add, I do have a triangle. If I put the triangle on the bottom like this, does it look like a rocket ship? I can't wait to see what you make with me. I'll put this on Seesaw too, so you can put your own on. Bye, everyone. So I just wanted to add that I know I said I was going to put my clay back. How do I put this back in here? Let's think of how we can make it the same shape. It's a long cylinder, or it kind of looks like a snake or a worm. So if I put my clay in my hands, see my hands together, ready? They're going to roll back and forth, back and forth. And you can do this on your table too. One hand back and forth. And can you see it getting longer? Oh, one of my foams wanted to stay. Ready? Now what happens if I go faster? Faster and faster and faster. What happened? A long cylinder. Let's try. Oh, uh-oh, it's a little too long. All right, I'm gonna squish it. Squishing it, see me squishing it down? And right now I'll roll it a little bit again. Let's see if it fits. All right, ta-da! That was like magic. All right, now I'll put my plastic back on top. And I'm gonna put it, if the plastic doesn't stay, that's okay too. Because it says it won't dry out. Because because that's very tricky to put on with the plastic. So, there we are. And our materials are away. Bye, everyone.